भद्राय रामचंद्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः। भगवत्यै सीतायै नमः। भगवते हनुमते नमः। There is a very beautiful saying, be careful what you pray to God for, because God will give it. God will say tathastu when you pray for something. Be careful what you pray for, because you may pray for something which is actually not in your welfare. You may pray for something which is actually going to harm you. So be careful what you pray for. One should know what one actually needs for one's evolution. One should know what one actually needs for one's welfare, not for one's pleasure. Pleasure is different from welfare. Sukham is different from hitam. Mere hit mein, in my welfare, what is there that need not be pleasant to me. So sometimes you may have to ask God, give me some difficulties because I am not at all improving. Let me build up some more stamina. Let me build up some more capacity to withstand difficulties. Give me some difficulty. We may have to pray for that instead of praying for give me always happiness. So these are all different wisdoms. So Naradji has prayed for something and Bhagavan Narayana said, Tathastu, I will give you what is, but still he has repeated, I will give you what is in your welfare only, not what is pleasant to you. Maya bibas bhaye muni moodha समुझी नहीं हरि गिरा निगूढ़ा गवने तुरत तहार शिराई जहाँ स्वयंवर भूमि बनाई माया बिबस भये मुनि मूढ़ा. Because of the power of Maya, that wise rishi has become foolish. Samuji nahi hari gira nigudha. There is Hari's Vani, the words of Narayana which were very, very encrypted words. He didn't understand. Rishi did not understand the words. Gavane turat daha rishi rai, that rishi Raja. He is a rishi Raj, Maharaj, such a great rishi. He went to the place where a Swayamvar was taking place. Jaha Swayamvar bhumi banai, where the place was anointed for this particular Swayamvar. Nij asan baithe Raja, bahu banav kari sahit samaja, muniman harash roop ati more, मोहित जी आनहि बरिहि न भोरे. निज निज आसन बैठे राजा. सब राजा अपने all left them, sat in their different places, seats given to them. बहु बनाव करि सहित समाजा. They all decked beautifully. Each one is shining with all the decoration, crown and then jewels and then all those decorations what is required for that Swayamvar. Muniman harash roop ati more. Narad Rishi is very, very absolutely thrilled that I am just like Bhagavan Narayan. My form is most beautiful form. Mohitaji anahi barihi na bore. This girl is not going to select anybody else other than me because I am the most handsome person. Muni hit karan kripa nidhana, दीन कुरूप न जाई बखाना, सोचरित लखि काहू न पावा, नारद जान सब ही सिर नावा. मुनि Karana Kripa Nidhana. In order to help Muni, in order to help Narad Rishi, Bhagavan Kripa Nidhan, the embodiment of compassion, he gave him the worst face ever possible. He had given him a very, very ugly face. So Charitra Lakhi Kahu na Pava, but nobody knew the background of this face. Why Naradji? The body is still Narad's body only. The body is of that of Narad, but the face is totally different, very ugly. So the people who saw him did not speak about the face because they respected Naradji. They saw that he had the veena and everything. Everything is very, very nice. So they just respected Naradji and saw his face, did not speak about it. Nobody spoke about it. Narada Jani Sabahi Siranava. Everybody thought it was Naradji, so they did pranam to Naradji. Rahe taha dui rudra gana. Teja nahi sab bheu. Vipravesh dekhat phirahi. Param kautuki teu. In that sabha of that Swayamvar, there were two Rudra Ganas, the assistants of Bhagavan Shivji. They had also come there because they knew everything what had happened. They had that knowledge of what had happened with Naradji. So they had taken the form of two Brahmins and they wanted to see the tamasha. So they had come there, they wanted to see what is going to happen there. So they also had come and sat down in the Swayamvar. Jehi samaj baithe muni jai. Hridaya roop ahamiti adhikayi. Tah baithe mahes gan do. Vipravesh gati lakhai nako. In that same Swayamvar Mandap where Muni has gone and sit down, Narad Rishi, Hridaya Roop Ahamiti Adhikai, he's with a thrill in his heart that I am looking very, very handsome. Same place, both the Rudra Ganas went and sat down. And they had adorned the form of Brahman, so nobody could make out that they are Rudra Ganas. Karahi Kuti Naradahi Sunai. Niki Dini Hari Sundartai. Rijihi Raj Kuvari Chabi Dekhi. Inahi Barihi Hari Jani Bisekhi. Karahi Kuti Naradahi Sunai. They are talking to each other in, again, encrypted words. They are talking to each other. Niki Dini Hari Sundarta. He looks very, very handsome, isn't it? Those two are talking to each other. Naraji is looking extremely handsome. Definitely Rajkumari will be very happy to see his face. And most probably she is going to select him only. They are talking to each other. Muni hi moha man haath paraye. Hasai sambhugan ati sachupaye. Jadapi sunahi muni atpat bani. Samujin parai buddhi brahmasani. Munihi moha mana hatha paraye. The mind of the Muni has gone into the hands of Maya now. Hasahi Sambhugan ati sachupai. And he is thinking that the Shambhugan, the two people, they are actually laughing because they have seen the truth. But Naraji is thinking, they are talking very nicely. I think they are truth. What they are saying is the truth only they are saying. That means they are looking really handsome. And he was completely deluded. Kahun lakha sucharita bisekha. So sarupan rupa kanya dekha. Markat badan bhayankar dehi. Dekhat hridaya krodha baatehi. Kahuna lakhaso charita vishekha. Now remember this, that here we should also understand that there was no mirror those days. At least when Naradji had gone to that particular place, there was no mirror. By chance Naradji had looked into the mirror, he would have understood everything. So there was no mirror, nor has he seen himself in water. He had actually directly gone away to the Swayamvar. So the Rajkumari saw this face, and then the face of a monkey. Naradji has got a face of a monkey. Not only that, the front portion of the body is also looking absolutely terrifying. Narad is not aware of that also. To the others it is looking terrifying. So she got very, very angry at seeing Narad's face. Sakhi sanglay kuvari tab Chali janu raja marala Dekhat phirai mahip sab Kars roj jayamala Sakhi sanglay kuvari tab. So the Rajkumari has taken her friends, associates, Sakhis, and all of them are going in a group, all ladies going together. She is having the Jayamala in her hand. She is looking at the faces of all the Rajkumars. Dekhat phirai mahip sab kars roj jayamala. She had a beautiful lotus mala in her hand. Jehi dis baithe narad phuli So disitehin bilo ki bhuli Punya punya muni uksahi akulahi Dekhi dasa haragan muskahi. So Rajkumari did not even look at the side where Narad was seated. She just walked away from there, and then Naradji is expecting that she look at me, and she is also moving his body this side and that side, but she is not at all concerned about this person. And both the Shiva Ganas are laughing. Slowly they are smiling within themselves only. Dharindra patanutah gayavu kripala Kuvari harashi mele ujayamala Dulahini lege lachi nivasa Nripa samaj sab bhayav nirasa. Bhagavan Narayan took the form of a human being and then went to that Swayamvar also. He also went to the Swayamvar. He was standing at the gate itself there. Dhari nripatanu taha gayamu kripala kuvari harash melevu jayamala. Immediately the Vishwamohini, that bride, she offered the garland to Bhagavan Narayan. Dulahini laye Lachinivasa. Immediately the Narayan took away the bride and he went away. He went and placed her, that is, he took her to Lakshmi Nivas. That Lakshmi Nivas, that Narayan took away that girl and went away. Nripa Samaj sab bhayav niras. All the kings were very, very disappointed. Muniyati bikal mohamati nati Manigiri gai chuti janu gathi Tab hargan bole muskayi Nij mukh mukur bilo kahu jai Muni ati bikal mohamati nati. Completely overpowered by moha. He is totally disturbed. Muni was disturbed. He was so disturbed that as though he lost some very, very valuable jewel from his hand, it has fallen down. Very bad he is feeling. Tab haragan bole musakai. Immediately the Shiva Ganas were looking at Narad. They said, please go and look at your face somewhere. Nijamukha mukur bilo kahu jai. As kahi do bhage bhaya bari. Badan dika muni bari nihari. भेषु बिलो की क्रोध अति बाढ़ा, तिनहि सराप दीन अति गाढ़ा. Leela of Paramatma, when the Rishi gets angry, he gives a curse. He curses the person on whom he gets angry. Asakahi do bhage bhaya bhari. Both the Shivaganas said this and then ran away from there immediately. Badana dikha muni bhari nihari. Immediately Naraji went and saw in the water. They were also standing till Naraji saw his face. Then both of them ran away. Veshu bilo ki krodha ati bada. Seeing his own form, Naraji became very angry and then cursed those two Shivaganas. Hari Om Tat Sat.